Good morning, guys. I know you wanted a video about EOS, so let's get into this. Guys, this thing is going up like crazy. Let me address the elephant in the room right now. I have received so many emails about EOS saying, Travis, I don't think this is a good coin. The CEO of EOS is just bashing their coin. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Here's my full response to you guys. It's been every single time. This thing is so stinking low that the prices we got into, I had a feeling we were going to be able to get at least 10 to 20% out of this trade. We are currently up 20% on EOS right now, and this is not even with the full the announcement or even the proof of the bullish exchange actually launched. They have been in a beta phase. They've not actually announced that it is fully available to the public yet. Some people are wondering even if the bullish exchange is even going to be listed. They're also trying to be listed on the New York Stock Exchange as well. I know a lot of us are getting into this. If you're brand new, you probably have no idea what I'm talking about. But if you know about EOS, they're creating an exchange called Bullish. Bullish is an exchange that is expected to be launched before the end of the year. There's been a lot of very terrible articles coming out bashing EOS of even some of the higher ups in EOS. But guys, here's my just background feeling is that with those bearish articles, there a lot of times I love to buy the FUD. I love to buy FUD, and that's what we were doing, and we're pushing up here. Now, if there is an article that comes out that says the bullish exchange is officially not going to be launched, and it is a creditable source, I will look to exit EOS and we will trade the other coins. Until I officially hear or someone can send to me and find that the bullish exchange is not going to be launched, that they are no longer going after anything, I will then be looking to take some exits on this. But regardless of that, we are doing very good. So let's get into this. Guys, we ended up just going 79 for 79 wins on this channel, and that was on 80A because we got into a super good price here. Guys, this thing shot up 20% for 80A. So this is our 79th for 79th win. I'll show you guys in the second half of this video how to get over here so you do not miss any of our other entries. We are literally, honest to God, guys, we are 79 for 79 wins on this channel. So let's go over EOS. The entry that I got everybody into here, if you guys have been following this channel, was over here at 473. That was a buy limit 1, buy limit 2, buy limit 3, buy limit 4. If you had, let's say, $10,000, you did 2,500 here, 2,500, 2,500, 2,500. Okay. I am also trading this myself, and our account is doing very well today. We just crossed $22,000 in here. We did about $500 to $600 just overnight alone in this account because of the ADA trade that we're in and EOS. So we got in at 473, and then we got in over here at $2.02 because we dropped back down. Dollar cost averaged in. Our break-even entry was $4.37, which correlates today up to a 20.05, and it's just fluctuating back and forth here just a little bit, so up about 18.95. Okay, here's the point I want you guys to watch on this, and I'll give you guys my full perspective of how I am personally going to be managing this. It is very, very important you guys have the trend exhaustion and the price versus wall money flow, because I will be looking, when I do exit, I will be using these indicators in here. These are on sale for Black Friday. Do not miss that announcement here. I'll do it in like 2 minutes. Okay, when this gets to the top sections up here, we must observe what has happened in the past when we push up into the top red zone. I'm not even gonna look at the price structure. I'm just gonna look at when he's pushing the top red zone. I'm just gonna pull these few here just for fun. Okay. This is when we push in the top red zone. We saw this move back down. Top red zone, we saw the move down. Top red zone, we also saw this very nice move back down, and we saw this move back down here. Okay. Now, I am expecting, this has pushed up into the top red zone, and we didn't see that big of a drop, but we have been accumulating in this top zone over here, so I am looking for a move back down here for a little bit for EOS. We see strongly that the flow of money is very high here. You can also see this correlated to the other structures. When it gets high in the trend exhaustion, as well as the well money flow, which is green, is high, that is a double confirmation we could be seeing nice drops back down in the market. We obviously saw this over here when we were getting up into the high sections. We saw this over here, then we ended up seeing the drops back down, okay? Is it going to be accurate 100% of the time? No, and about 70 to 80% of the time, but we don't need it to be 100% accurate. This is going to help us just exit the trade here. Now, here is my full disclosure of what I'm going to be doing for EOS. Like I said, if we can get some solid evidence, pure evidence that comes out that says the bullish exchange is no longer going to be launched, it is completely dissolved, we're not going to launch it whatsoever. I'm going to exit this trade, and I'm just going to simply put my money back into the other coins over here, okay? Until I hear that, I'm going to be holding out here, and what I'll probably end up doing is buying back down, putting another buy limit in here at 473 if this thing wants to drop back down, get some more money in here, and my first target for an exit, I think this might be the first or second time I've ever released this, I'm going to be looking for an exit up here at 633. That puts us very close to the structure high. Now, if the bullish exchange is announced and we get millions of dollars flooding into the market, my second target is 990, okay? That will give us over 100% in the market on this. It'll give give us about 126%, which correlates up to here. Not structure high. I have another target that I'm looking for, which is 1317, but you guys can guarantee I will be out of this market before we hit 1317. I will be out of here before we hit $10 and then buying the dip back down. The reason for $10 is this is a whole numbers and it is a very strong chart level. So I'm looking to get out before that. I'm giving you guys full disclosure of where I'm looking at is 990, okay? In the meantime here, we are seeing a very nice pump, which is putting us at about 20% in the profit at the moment from our break-even entry. Now, let me move into this part of the video because that's really what I want to share with you guys here. If you guys are brand new and you're like, this is awesome, I want to trade with you, Travis, you are literally 79 for 79 wins. How do I do this? Follow this part of the video now. If you guys are done, I wanted to give you all that to you guys in the beginning. For the analysis, I'm simply just going to be holding here. I will be looking to buy back into the dip. If not buy back into the dip, I'm looking to exit some up here about 633. I'll be looking to exit probably at minimum 50% of my trade when I'm up here at 633, okay? This is the Black Friday sale I've been trying to tell you guys about for a long time in all these videos. It is finally released, okay? This is crazy. The indicators I used over here, the price versus money flow, the trend exhaustion, and the trend dashboard. Guys, I coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com customers 2 years ago. It's how I actually made my living, okay? These are the best indicators you guys can use to call tops and bottoms in crypto. I've been featured on the front page of TradingView.com, the front page website for TradingView.com 4 times this year. And not to be arrogant or anything like that. It's to show you guys I really do believe in these and I'm trying to put my money where my mouth is and I'm trading my own money with the indicators. And plus we have not lost a single trade the entire year and we started in March. And we're up 79 for 79 wins. These indicators can be gotten. I was like literally just thinking gotten you guys can get these indicators in the description and this is what you guys are going to see. It's going to take you to the indicator page. The Black Friday sale gives you guys 83% off all the indicators. Not only do you guys get 83% off the bundle pack right now, which gives you access to all of our indicators and 4 other ones, this is also going to be going up in price $50 at the end of this month. So you guys are going to immediately get appreciating value for anybody who gets the bundle pack. If you guys don't want to do that, that's totally fine. At minimum, get the price versus the money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion, and this will give you guys the exact 3 indicators I use for all my exits over here and every single one of my charts in Telegram, as well as all of the indicators I use to call exits over here on the charts for the YouTube videos, okay? If you guys get these 3, you are literally a few dollars off from the bundle pack. You guys might as well just get this because the discount is ridiculous, and I am going to be upping the price of the price versus the money flow and the trend exhaustion again. Okay, so you guys are going to get appreciating value. Okay, that's all I've got to share with you guys there. Now, in order to get into our trades that you guys can see our win rate of 79 for 79, here's exactly what you do. It literally is the cheapest membership you will ever find, and I know it is. So I'm not trying to fool anybody. I am going to be looking to up the price of this. I know this should be worth $400, $500, even $1,000 a month. I have millionaire traders trading with us, even some celebrities you guys would actually know about, probably if I told you. They're trading with me. I'm coaching them. They have this exact same membership. $49 a month, guys, gives you access to all the metrics in here. Watch our other videos on YouTube. It basically goes over all these in here, the emotional index, the long for short trades, long for short trade risk, the well and institutional smart money. We use the support resistance prices. All of these indicators in here, we use that. You get access to that. Here's the most important part. When you guys come over here and you sign up for your membership, you guys are going to be getting access to all the live trade setups for all the coins that we trade. This is where every single one of our 79 wins have come from, okay? Here's what you're going to do, and I'm going to end this video because I know it's getting a little long. At 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, our metrics as well as our entries for all of our coins update. Now, if they do not update, it's because we simply haven't hit our first buy limit, okay? So what you're going to do, for example, on Bitcoin today, this is the exact same chart you're going to see on everything. You're going to see 4 yellow lines below the current price, all right? If you have, for example, let's use $1,000 you want to trade with, you pick a number, it does not matter. 25% of whatever amount of the trade allocation you want to trade with that trade with is going to be put at each buy limit. So $1,000, you would simply put 250, 250, 250, 250. Here's your 4 different buy limits, and the prices are very bright, guys. They're in yellow. You cannot miss it. What we do is we're going to wait for the first buy limit to get hit, and then we're going to put a sell limit up here at the first yellow line. Now, this says 11:08 because it is not currently 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. When it is today, this will turn to 11:09 and give you guys all the updated buy limits. If you get all your buy limits in today, come back every day and check this at the next date stamp. So it would be 9 today. Come back at 11:10, see if any of the buy limits have been updated and update them in your exchange. Once you do that, guys, come down here and log into Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then click Telegram. It's a hot link, and it will actually give you guys immediate access into the Telegram channel over here, where I'm calling all the exits and giving you guys all of the wins over here using the indicators, okay? Again, bringing you guys back to the last section, the indicators are so important. The best bundle pack I honestly believe, guys, you will ever get for trading. This works for cryptos, stocks, and Forex. The best bundle pack you guys will ever receive for trading. And this is coming from someone who's coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com customers, you know, and has a very good reputation on TradingView, okay? Literally, like I know the CFO, the COO of TradingView. I've talked to them. I've worked with them with indicators in the past. Like, I promise you guys that these are I want to say the best, because there's others out there, but absolutely some of the best indicators here, and I'm using them in every single one of our wins, and we have not lost a trade yet, so I highly recommend you guys get those. All right, guys, that's the update for EOS. Unless the bullish exchange is completely denounced and it is officially not going to be, you know, launched, I am holding this position, and I am not going to be selling this thing until we get up here to about 633, and I'll be looking to exit about 50%. So make sure you guys are watching the trend exhaustion, the price versus the well money flow for possible move back down here. If you are not in this trade, your next buy limit should be set up here, your second here, your third here, and your fourth one at the bottom. I know it's a little bit lower, but this is where I'm looking at for you guys to get back in to manage this as we move back up. All right, guys, God bless you so much. All the indicators are in the description, as well as the membership. Do not miss that. Get your buy limit set up for all of our coins. Follow me over here, and then make sure you guys are getting the Black Friday sale for all the indicators. That will immediately give you guys access to them after you purchase them, and also give you guys a video to upload them on your charts. God bless you guys. I'll see you later. Let's go 85 for 85 wins, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.